Hey guys, here's a custom build 1/18 scale Ford Crown Victoria CHP California Highway Patrol slick top. I don't remember last time I did one because it takes some time to fill up the holes and paint the roof. As you can see, can't really notice them. Like I said, the top was the holes were filled and the top was painted and buffed. Again, I've installed the working roof antennas with a pancake one and a 2-whip on the trunk. As you see, features opening doors, hood, and trunk. As you know, Motomax has been, I guess, discontinued. I haven't seen any for sale in a few months. I don't know if they'll ever get released again. I know the CHP has been discontinued for good. So this is a rare opportunity to own one, I guess, purchase one. Let me turn the lights on and the siren so you can check it out. First of all, we'll turn on the lights. You got the visor red blue, then you got the strobing white headlights, the red blue, and the grille. You got the red blue on the rear trunk, I mean rear deck, I guess, and the flashing tail lights. You can see it again. It does come with its box, like I said, so we pack for safe delivery. Turn the siren on. Oops. Got 4-tone siren. Something to add to your collection, you know. First press of the button cycles the oldest of the sounds. Second, you just get this sound. This is the third, when you press the third time. Fourth time. And fifth time turns off the siren. Again, this is a whip, so they flex these antennas, you know, they flex roof antennas as well. They're not. Again, it'll be up on eBay shortly. Please ask all questions before you bid. One lucky bidder is going to win this unique and cool looking car. Thanks for watching.